Hello my loves and welcome to my channel. My name is Sherelle and today I am back with another video. So in today's video I'm going to be trying out a wig from CurlsCurls, and if you are not new to my channel you know how much I love CurlsCurls wigs. Their wigs have been featured on my channel so many times. I will leave an entire playlist of the styles that I've tried from them down below just in case you wanted to see those videos for yourself. But if you are new to my channel, welcome. Over here we talk about skincare, beauty and hair care, so if that sounds like something you are interested in, I would really appreciate it if you could show support to my channel by subscribing. Now let's get on with the video. So the wig that I'll be trying out today is called Julia and it is a 4x4 closure wig. So this is not a lace front, this is not a U-part, it is a closure wig. This wig is 180% density and it's in 16 inches, and the curl pattern that I'll be trying out today is deep wave. This will be the first time that I'm trying out this texture from this company. I have tried out kinky curly, I've tried most of the textures, but I don't know, I guess deep wave is just something different. I don't normally go for deep wave texture either, so this will be a first for me. And the goal is to kind of go for a long bob sort of hairstyle with really nice sort of beach waves, but something a bit tighter than a beach wave. So first of all, let's start off with my own hair. I've had it in this sort of bun situation because I have been wearing their U-part wig for quite a while. Normally I just wear my hair like this in the evenings and then I take out the leave out and put on the U-part, but because today we are trying out a closure wig, I have left my hair in this sort of low bun situation. So first of all, because we are going to be wearing a closure wig, I'm going to go ahead and separate my leave out. I'm going to take just an inch or two out of the perimeter of my hair. Now that I have my leave out sectioned off, I'm going to go ahead and use some sectioning clips to keep the hair out of the way. Now that we have finished sectioning off my leave out, I do think that's about an inch or so. I'm really bad at parting, as you can see, so that's what I'm going to be working with. And now for the rest of my hair, I'm going to do a middle part and then do them in two sections. Give it a good detangle and then apply Olaplex No. 7 bonding oil. Now I'm going to 2-strand twist these up and put a hairband at the end just so that the hair doesn't undo. This is how I get my hair so flat underneath my wigs, and I also find it a lot easier if my hair is in two bunches like this. So once I finish doing 2-strand twists, I go ahead and loosen up those ponytails a bit. So I take one pigtail, cross it over and pin it. Just like that. The second ponytail. And pin it, and that's normally how I do my hair under wigs now that I'm relaxed. So now guys, it's finally time to try on this wig. I am really excited because since I relaxed my hair, I haven't really been trying out much curly wigs. So let's go ahead and take it out of its box. I have kind of seen what it looks like already, but I haven't actually tried it on my head yet. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm really loving how these curls look so far. I'm kind of stuck between putting a wig cap on or not. I don't normally wear wig caps, they normally just fall off my head, but I'm gonna try one on today to see how we do. Maybe it will make this a lot flatter. But yeah, so these are the stocking caps that they provided in the box. Okay, so not bad. This is what the stocking cap is looking like. So this is what the unit is looking like. I really love these curls. Well, I wouldn't say they were curls, they were more like waves, but this is what I was going for, sort of like a beach wavy look. We have 2 combs at each side, 1 at the back, and we also have an elastic band fitted as well. And this is what the lace looks like. I would say the lace is like a medium brown, but you could go ahead and put foundation on that if you're a little bit darker than that. But I think that should match me okay. Okay guys, now that I've finished cutting off the lace, I'm going to go ahead and plop this wig on. The cap does seem pretty secure on my head this time, so hopefully this doesn't end up sliding back or falling off my head. Right, so this is what we are looking like so far. My edges are still very much straight and the wig is curly, but we can work with this. This is definitely what I was looking for. I'm going to start detangling and then we're going to go in with some leave-in conditioner. So now that the wig is all detangled, by the way, this was really easy to brush. So I'm going to go in with Afro G's leave-in conditioner and spray this all over my leave out and the wig as well. And lastly, I'm going to go in with a spray bottle with lukewarm water in it. The next thing that I'm doing is going in with the hairdryer and the diffuser attachment to help dry up the hair, and then I'm going in with some edge control to slick some of my hair down, and this is what the finished look looks like. It was literally that easy to style the hair. I was really shocked, and I feel like 16 inches is a really good length. It suits this wig a lot. But anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to check out this wig, I will leave the information down in the description box, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.